Anything you can make ahead is helpful when your holiday to-do list just keeps growing and growing. Today, Howard gives us a perfect example, an eggnog French toast bake in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Right about now, you probably have a ton of things on your plate. Things like wrapping those last-minute gifts and getting everything together for Christmas Eve dinner. So to help make the next 24 hours a little easier, we have a simple French toast bake that you can make this afternoon and bake tomorrow morning. Here's how it's done. We begin by slicing a French bread into thick slices and placing them in a single layer in a baking dish. Now in a large bowl, we whisk together some eggnog, vanilla, a handful of eggs, a bit of nutmeg, cinnamon, and a little salt. We pour this flavor pack mixture over the bread and let it soak up all the creamy goodness. All that's left to do is cover it and pop it in the fridge. After a couple of hours, I like to turn each slice over, which will ensure the bread gets soaked evenly. Come morning, we just uncover it and pop it in the oven until the center is set. Imagine being able to serve a fancy holiday festive breakfast without breaking a sweat. Drizzle on some maple syrup and you're good to go. To get this easy make-ahead recipe for eggnog French toast bake, simply visit our website. Hey Cal, have a little break.
Thanks.
I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a sweet and stress-free way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.